Okay, then you can finish with some monitoring like Prometheus and Grafana. So instead, you need to have a feature like sample. So you need to create a sample, create a form in your company. So if you want to test easy to with CPUs performance or release reliability, you can choose the variable and set into a Grafana. So Grafana will test the data from Prometheus. Okay. Instead, I will use a sample I have from another process and access with this video to show you how to Grafana work. So if we only a sample, so you can see exactly data from the EC2 or what you need. Okay, you can check the sample is the website. So instead I will create Prometheus again, use the Prometheus dashboard. Okay, as visualization, and instead I don't have a visualization sample, so I think I will use a visualization. I will put like image in Docker. Have some issues. I will solve it. This is the dashboard of Grafana. It have no data. Okay. So yes, you can import the dashboard. So you can import dashboard JSON file. You also import the Grafana with ID. Okay, you can use ID to tap. But if you want to custom dashboard, okay, you need custom dashboard. So this is another sample. Okay, inside you can see. Okay, if we push data in your okay, we check again which real data. So it's compiled with 1i to 6 sample. Now it will solve a queue, but it's not a full complete. Okay, we do again. It's no data, so import data. Okay, I will use the data from Prometheus. Okay. Okay. I will use dashboard. So okay. Rồi, okay. If we okay, you will start see the data from the Prometheus. So you can check again with all of them. Okay, you can see. Okay, you can see sample like that with the CPU purchase system loss or IM RAM user, the watch user. Okay, with all information you need storage. Okay, you need storage information. And so this is the video. Hope you like this. I will finish video now. Okay, bye bye.